Another day, another scrap run. Where? What? That's a welder. And a drop saw. What? This is all aluminium. 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 Some spray guns. Look at all the weights. Cheapy, but might be alright. Wow, look at that. Made in Italy. It's made in Italy. Is it any good? That's broken. Look at all these weights. Bit of scrap aluminium. Look at all that. Let's put it all in there. Let's bring it with us. Right guys, pile number 3. Thought I put the camera on, but I didn't. In the last pile, have a look at the bike that we just found. Mongoose, BMX. These bikes, this is the 4th one I actually found. So it's, they sell really easily. If you ever get a Mongoose, really popular BMX. And we found a microwave. Now, have a look at this file. A couple of lawnmowers. Got a bit of fishing rods here. Look at all the fishing rods. Anyone like fishing? A couple of fans. scooter. Looks like it's one of these electric scooters. Cheers. Now look at this baby. Know what that is? That's for shotties. You put your bottles on there. Is this steel? Sometimes these are actually copper. Is that copper? Let's get a magnet out. Let's have a look. It's not magnetic. This could be copper. Looks a bit copperish. Yep. Just steel chairs. Look at this thing. This is a wheelchair. It's too good to throw out. Right. Let's take these mowers and some of these rods. Hello YouTubers, and welcome from rainy Melbourne. It's actually cold and miserable here, so why not clean out some of the junk and go and collect a few dollars. We've got quite a bit of metal in the trailer. We've cleaned out some of the stuff from the garage, and we'll go to the scrapyard. We've got some dirty alley here. From what I've seen, the prices in Melbourne have dropped quite a bit, so I'm not sure how much we're actually gonna get, but that's okay. We'll go have some fun. We've got a TV here also, which we're gonna take to the recyclers. If you're in Melbourne and you want to drop off TVs, you can actually drop them off for free, so which is good. Costs people nothing, and they can dispose of their old electricals. So I don't know how much we've got in this trailer. Let's find out. That easy, guys. A few minutes later, it's all unloaded, and then we can go and collect our cash. First we got to empty that aluminium. So if you are living in Pakenham or in Cardinia or nearby, Future Recycling, this is where you can drop off your electricals like TVs for free. Alright, we're home now. Not much you can probably see. This rain is just coming down. So we picked up a couple of things on the way home. Not sure if you can see them or not. Some aluminium chairs and quite a lot of cords. Alright, so let's see what we got paid. Alright guys. And now on to the good part. This is our receipt for today. We've got, well, honestly, I didn't know that we had electric motors. A couple of the wheels, they considered electric, so we ended up getting $4.50 for them. They were just scooter wheels. And electric motors are paying 75 cents a kilo. We had 57 kilos of aluminium ironing at 50 cents a kilo. That was $28.50, and 520 kilos of pressing at 22 cents. As you can see, the pressing has come down quite a bit. It was 10 cents higher not that long ago, really, and now it's come back down to 22 cents. So 520 kilos, $114.40. So all up, $147.40. So not bad. $150 is still a good amount. And really, you can quite easily do trailer load each weekend. There's that much around that you can just fill up your trailer and make $150. So really good amount. We'll add it to our kids kitty, and we'll do it all over again next week. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done by now, please consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate all your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.